we'll be spending 2 days. So for the next 48 hours, we'll be in the Volta region. Today is a new adventure, and I'm here with Jeffrey, Yao in the back, and Bismarck also in the back. So today we are going to Waterfalls and Afajato and some other places around the area, and we'll be spending 2 days. So for the next 48 hours, we'll be in the Volta region. We are somewhere around Kweve, and I had to take a short stop because I really like what I'm seeing up here in the back. So essentially, we've got the clouds covering the mountains, and it looks absolutely fantastic. And it quite reminds me of the last time I camped with Roy Heritage. For some reason, anytime he camps, it always rains. I do me like that. What's up? What's up? You doing cool?
I'm doing cool, bro.
So everybody there alright?
Yeah.
We
good.
I gotta see if I did see you guys.
Yeah.
Hey man, you doing cool? Cool, bro. So,
Charlie, everything nice.
So currently we are still en route to the Waterfalls first. That's where we're going first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So first we're going to the Waterfalls, then we okay, actually it depends on the time. If there's more time, we would hike the Afajato. One thing is, people tend to say Mountain Afajato, which is technically incorrect because To means mountain, so it's quite redundant to say Mountain Afajato. That's a bit of history. Is it history or what?
Yeah.
Common knowledge. That's a bit of common knowledge. We had to make a quick stop at Hohoe to pick up an extra tent and a couple of food stuff. So yeah. What again of our?
But again, I don't know. I mean, we're having fun and shit, so we're good.
Yeah.
I don't really get anything to talk, bro.
If you for talk something. Wallahi, today this vlog be your own. You go talk something. Maybe one of your shadows is.
Yeah.
So this is one of his businesses. 130 sells what's he sell, sir?
Yeah, clothes, like accessories, everything you need. Just check us out on IG. Twitter is 100 Thrift.
Yeah. And he has another one called Glamorous, but it's still under construction, so I don't think he really wants to disclose a whole lot about that yet. But just check out the page on Instagram though. Just check out the page on Instagram, Glamorous. I will definitely leave the links in the description.
Some part of the way.
We made it to Waterfalls, and we are currently hiking through to the lower falls, and apparently it's going to take about 45 minutes. So we're currently at base camp, and we are about to set up our tent. We're not entirely sure if we would stay here or move it to the waterfalls, but we just want to pitch it here for now, just in case we can't camp over there. We don't end up needing Charlie. Brafunia hard.
Yeah, it's not
Charlie. Yeah. So in case we're not able to pitch the tent there, we won't have to pitch it here at night. And that is Yao pitching his tent, and I'm going to start with mine very soon. There's everyone. I think this is going to be a learning experience for Jeffrey and Bismarck.
Our first time, obviously.
Yeah, we can tell. we are done setting up the tent and we are currently hiking to the falls to check if we can actually stay there for the night, but it's highly likely we'll just camp out where we are. So those are the boys in the back. And got Felix right here. Oh, go on. So apparently this was supposed to be a journey of 9 bridges. Even 9 bridges, right?
Yeah.
A journey of 9 bridges. At the moment, we've completely lost track of how many we've crossed, but we're still making progress anyway. So yeah, as you saw in that sign there, it says Wuli is beautiful, do not litter. So that's one thing we always try to stick by anytime we are out hiking or camping. That is, leave no trace, or if you will leave a trace, let that trace just be your footsteps.
Imagine this height, we then see another one to with the waterfall, they reach there before they come. Imagine, it's fine. That's why they say it's 2 hours, it's fine.
Yo Jeff, how you doing?
I'm freezing to my balls, man.
Wait on. You there cool?
I did cool, bro.
It was so. So how the water they give you?
Living water, bro.
You know so. Yo, this was really amazing. Life, good health, prosperity. And a toast to more trips like these.
Like this.
Join us next time. So if you want to experience more things like these, you can always just hit me up in the DMs and book a tour with me, and yeah, we'll bring you here. And from time to time, I'll be working with this awesome dude here.
Yo.
We'll be organizing a couple of tours and other camping expeditions. So you can definitely just hit us up whenever we post them on our stories and our feeds, and yeah, you could always join us. And have some fun. So as always, the links are going to be in the description down below or in the card up above here. We're trying to get some eggs, meat, and some other things because we are pretty hungry right now and we have to cook. Ooh, the sun is looking very nice, but it's really in my eye. And the view here is just impeccable. You can see the clouds right over. You see the clouds over here, right over the mountains, and it's a very awesome view. If you keep going straight over here, you would end up in Togo. Yeah, so the last time I came here, I missed the turn I was supposed to take, which is the turn we just came out from. I ended up at the border, and the immigrations guy had to tell me that I'm entirely lost. I'm at the wrong place, so I had to turn and come all the way back before I came to the right place. And the last time I couldn't really vlog because I was here on, let's just say, serious business.
So what time you go buy one? 1 or 2?
You buy 1 or 2?
About
One milk. One is okay.
The guy said, take it. I take it, make it up.
So at the moment we are currently sitting by the campfire. I can't really shout so much because it's very quiet, and yeah, really amazing. We're done eating, and yeah, just decided to sit by the campfire for a little bit before we finally head out to sleep, so we can have an early start tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, so currently I'm in the tent and I'm ready to go to sleep and have the early start that I need tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully I'm able to wake up early enough, which I don't doubt that I'll be able to wake up early enough, but yeah, we'll see. So I think I'll end this video here, and part 2 is going to be in the next episode, or in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share it if you're feeling extra generous. So until next time.